Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. This month we're in Switzerland, and one of the things I struggle with in Switzerland is finding some salad. Finding some salad that isn't dressed with cream or yogurt at least. One of the salads that I do love in Switzerland is a cucumber salad that is dressed with yogurt. But today I'm going to show you a different version of that. We're going to take the cucumber, peel it into alternate strips the same way we would for our yogurt salad, and then slice it very finely on a mandolin. Now, because I'm serving this with a dish of pan-fried fish, pan-fried in butter of course, I'm not going to dress it with yogurt. I'm going to make a quick pickle with a beautiful agrodolce vinegar. But the same method that I'm using here is the method you can use to also make the cucumber and yogurt salad. So we have a two-in-one recipe here. You don't have to use the Japanese mandolin, but you do want this as fine as possible. And be very careful. Either use the guard or make sure you're holding it nice and high like I am here. That's as far as I need to take it. Now, because we're pickling, and even if you were doing it with the yogurt, into a colander, a good teaspoon of salt on top. Just toss it through, and we just want that salt, as well as adding flavour, to start to draw some of the moisture out of the cucumber. So I'm just going to leave that sit aside now for about 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, you can see we have some moisture there in the bowl, and I'm just going to give it a gentle squeeze. We don't want to mash it, but we want to get quite a bit of moisture out, and you can see there's a lot that is coming out. Now, so far, this is exactly what we'd do whether we were going to dress it with yogurt or vinegar for our quick pickle. Squeeze, 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 and either way, this will keep in the fridge for days. So make a double batch or a triple batch if you like, because it's great with everything. There we go. I think that's just about as much as I can get out without completely crushing my cucumber, which you don't want to do. So we've got rid of most of the moisture there. I have a little bit of that agrodolce vinegar in the bowl. You could skip the agrodolce vinegar and just toss it with a tablespoon of yogurt, which I love, but not when I'm already eating half my body weight in dairy this month. So there we go, a quick pickle of cucumber. Serve it alongside pan-fried fish with almonds. Serve it with any of the dishes that we're having this month to help cut through some of that lovely rich fat. Roberta, enjoy.